Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code in Canva. This is a free to use tool that you can use to create a QR code and then use it to link it to any platform. For instance, you have a Google form or a website and you are finding it hard maybe to share the link so that people can join or can visit your platform. The best and the easiest way is to create a QR code that users can scan and then automatically join your platform or log in to your form or even make a registration. So the first thing we need to do is to go and create a design. Now here we shall make a custom design and we shall use the size 1850 by 1850. So it is good to make sure it is a square and then click on create a design. So I'll name it my QR scanner. Now from here go to elements, look for scan QR and then click on enter. We shall use this QR code app from Canva to create our QR code. So click on use app. As per the instructions here, we can generate these custom QR codes for printing and sharing. As you can see the instructions, add the URL and you'll be able to create a QR code for you to add to your design. And we are told that people can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So we shall go ahead and click on open. So we are supposed now to enter our URL here of the QR code that we want to create. I'll go ahead and grab the URL code. For my case, I want anyone who scans the QR code to be directed to my X account. So I'll go ahead and grab my X account URL and then paste it here. Once you're done, click on generate code. Now, as you can see, a code has been generated automatically. Now what we need to do is to scale this QR code up so that it fills this page. To do so, just grab from one corner and then drag it to fill the page. And here we go, it is done. So our QR code is done. We can go ahead and click on share and download it. If you're not comfortable with this style, you can still go ahead and generate as many styles as you wish and they will all appear here, so you can replace them with whichever you want. So once we are done, we can go ahead and download our QR code. So for this, click on share and then download. Go ahead and download your QR code. Give it time to download and it's done. So let's go ahead and open our QR code scanner. Here is our QR code scanner and is ready for use. Now let us practice. I want to practice and try to scan with my phone and see if I'll be redirected to my X account when I scan this QR code. So let me try and scan with my phone and see if it picks up. Now as you can see, it has picked up the URL of my X account and therefore I can go to the website or to the page. And here we go, we are in. So you can do the same for maybe your WhatsApp page, a web page, Google Forms, or any other platform that you wish to get people connected. Even with your contacts, you can as well use your QR code such that people can scan and then your number will automatically be displayed on their phone so that they can call you instead of them having to enter your phone number each time or whenever they want to contact you. This is so important when you are dealing with a group or a large number of people that you can't share a link or a contact instantly. If this video was helpful to you, kindly like the video and also hit the subscribe button to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.